Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to use EurekaSim Dropbox Addin. Now you have the setup.exe, double click it and click yes to install, and here comes the setup dialog. Click next, click choose accept, and then again next. Here you can see the location where this EurekaSim Dropbox Addin is going to be installed. You can browse and change the location. By default it is in program files. You can change it. Now I'm keeping it as default. Then again next. Here you can choose between full installation and compact installation. In full installation you have the program files as well as the source files, but in compact installation there's only program files. So if you don't want the source files, just uncheck it. I'm keeping it checked. Then next, and here comes the installation details and install. It will show the progression, and finally finish. Click finish. Now EurekaSim Dropbox Addin is installed in your system, and open the EurekaSim application, and here you can see Dropbox Addin. You can upload, download, and there is settings and an about page. So let's say you are using EurekaSim software and working on a file named EurekaSim1. So now first I need to save it. Save as. I'm keeping the same name and saving it to the desktop. Now it is saved to the system, and I need to back it up to my Dropbox account. So I need to upload that. So when uploading is clicked, it will ask you need to log into the Dropbox account. So here comes the settings dialog, and here you can log in. By clicking login, you will be taken to the Dropbox login page in your default browser, and here you need to enter your email and password which you use to make your Dropbox account. So I'm entering mine. Okay, now password. And sign in. Just wait. Now it will ask for the permission. Click continue. Yeah, they're showing some disclaimers, something, and yes, click continue and allow. After that, go back to the EurekaSim application. Now it will show your name. I use my account, so it's showing my name. And now you are logged into your Dropbox account. So this is the settings page. Here there are 3 options. There is default upload location. You can browse and change the default location. By default, the add-in will create a EurekaSim backup folder in your Dropbox account, and that will be the default upload location. You can change that. I'm keeping it by the default. And okay. Yes, and there is default download location, and you can choose it. By default, the EurekaSim Dropbox Addin will create a EurekaSim backup folder in your documents, and that will be the default. You can change it if you want. So yeah, now it is desktop. I need to change it back to the EurekaSim Dropbox backup, which is created by the add-in. So yeah, okay. Now there is another option which you can check to automatically upload while saving EurekaSim file. So say you are using EurekaSim 1 and you are checked with this option, and when you save, the EurekaSim Addin, Dropbox Addin will automatically upload that to your logged in EurekaSim account, Dropbox account. So you don't need to do anything, just check this if you want. So I need to manually upload, so I'm unchecking it, and finally save the settings. Yeah, settings successfully saved. Okay, now close the settings dialog and upload. This is the current active file, and you can browse and change it if you want. I need to upload that file to my Dropbox account, so you can also change the upload location. By default, it is EurekaSim Dropbox folder. Now upload, and yeah, it's uploaded. That's how we upload. And when we need to download a file, just click the download and choose the download file. Yeah, this is the Dropbox account, your Dropbox account, and in your EurekaSim backup folder have many files, and the last one is just the file we uploaded, and I need to download that again. So I choose it, okay, and there is another option which you can check to open the downloading file when the download is completed. So I'm checking that, then download. You can choose the download location. By default it will be to the EurekaSim Dropbox backup folder in your documents. You can change it if you want. I'm not changing it. Then click OK, and it's downloaded. Yes, okay, and then that file will be loaded automatically. Yes, that's how you download. Then close. Yeah, then you have an about page. Yes, that will contain the author of this EurekaSim Dropbox Addin, email, GitHub account, a personal website. Yeah, that's it. That's all about your EurekaSim Dropbox Addin. You can use it, back up your files,